Okay, I can't stand it anymore. 13, I got 15 drawers and 14 of them won't stay closed. So, take them all apart, most of them out, and replace detents. $75 worth. Okay, if I get these bottom two drawers out, I think I can get these other detents out of there without taking the drawers out. And as you can see, this ain't my first rodeo. Alright. Gotta remember to clean up and oil up this stuff this time too. That might help. Oh, here's a whole bunch more. Okay, clean up. Okay, I don't like this already. That type of detent doesn't seem to work very well. Push the drawer in. Now it's in. All the way in. But all you gotta do is bump it and it comes right back out. I'm gonna change to this. This is the one I had in my stash. See how that works. Both sides even. That did not work. Looked good, but it broke instantly. One drawer opening and it broke. I think it broke down, deteriorated from being in my toolbox for whatever, 10 years or whatever. I ain't gonna like this. Try a new one. Okay, that's a little better. Pushing this shut. Goes shut easy. Does not exactly open easy as far as the other one, but I can open it with just a finger pull. But if you watch, this pops out a little and makes it easier to open. And that won't happen if a drawer is bolted to it. Right, okay. That better be it. Right, yesterday I did the left side, today I'm doing this one. This is the one that'll kill you. This is to prevent the toolbox from tipping this way and this under this drawer. Because if I'm crawled up in that hole and this thing tilts, this is where I die. I don't wanna. Got things to do yet. Okay, anyhow. The top one is intact, and those still function pretty good. All the others are damaged, and these are all gray severe duties or whatever they're called. So these all got to be changed, except maybe that one. The bottom I don't quite get. There's nothing here to keep the drawer closed. Only to stop it from hitting the back. So, and I guess it's about the same thing on the other side. Alright, let's change them and see what happens. Okay, yesterday finished up changing all the drawer stays. These things here. I put black ones back in. These are the ones that didn't break, but they didn't hold the drawer shut either. Plus another at least 10 that fell out of the box altogether, and I picked them up off of the floor. Anyhow, now it works good, but for how long? They close really nice too. Just a little push, close, stays closed. Dealing with this. This drawer still has white ones in it. Now, because it works pretty good. However, this, I don't know what keeps these closed. Whatever it is, it ain't working. I don't want automatic opening drawers. Now what am I gonna do to fix that? Research it, eh? See what YouTube got to say about this. Alright.